the last video that we did the Canadian curriculum maths. Yes, now we're going to do the curriculum English. This is the next video. Come on. So there are two main parts of English. One is phonics and one is grammar. Let's do phonics. Beginning consonant, ending consonant, short vowels, long vowels, rhyming words. For example, I'm going to do the rhyming word. So there's a house and also there's a mouse. So the mouse wants to live in the house. Mouse, house. So the mouse and the house rhyme because they have the same sound in the ending, okay? So that's how the others come, okay? So in grammar, there is nouns, sentences, capital letters, punctuation, subject, pronouns, nouns, verbs, MSOR, adjectives, and articles. For example, I'm going to tell you capital letters. So in capital letters, months, weeks, days, festivals all begin in capital letters. So in English grade 1, if you learn phonics and grammar, it will be easy peasy for you to learn English in grade 1. So can you guess which subject I'm going to tell you about? Correct, social studies. I'm very excited to do social studies. Before that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel, Learn with Aarna.